The internet offers incredible opportunities to make money. Many people dream of financial freedom. They want to escape the 9-to-5 grind. They imagine working from anywhere, anytime. The good news is that making money online is more achievable than ever. However, the current economic climate presents challenges. Inflation is soaring and job security feels uncertain. This is why many people are turning to online income streams. They offer a potential lifeline in uncertain times. The dream of financial freedom is a powerful motivator. It's important to remember that online income isn't about getting rich quick. It takes effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards can be life-changing. With the right approach, you can achieve financial independence and design your ideal lifestyle. The internet is saturated with schemes promising instant riches. Be wary of these. Many are scams designed to exploit your desire for quick money. Avoid falling for flashy ads and unrealistic claims. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Outdated strategies are another pitfall to avoid. What worked 5 years ago might not work today. The online world evolves rapidly. Stay informed about the latest trends and technologies. Focus on strategies that are proven to work in the current digital landscape. The sheer volume of information can feel overwhelming. There are countless methods for making money online. This can lead to paralysis by analysis. Don't get bogged down trying to learn everything at once. Focus on one or two legitimate methods that resonate with you. Freelancing offers a flexible way to earn. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients. Whether you're a writer, designer, or virtual assistant, there's a demand for your skills. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your best work. Client testimonials and reviews are crucial for attracting new clients. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative avenue. Promote other companies' products and earn a commission on sales. Choose a niche that interests you and aligns with your audience. Create valuable content that genuinely helps people. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships to build trust with your audience. E-commerce is booming. Setting up an online store has never been easier. Platforms like Shopify provide user-friendly interfaces and tools. Identify a product niche with high demand and low competition. Source products carefully, ensuring quality and affordability. Invest in high-quality product photography and compelling descriptions. Online coaching and consulting are highly effective strategies. They leverage your existing knowledge and experience. Identify your areas of expertise. What problems can you help people solve? Create a strong online presence, showcasing your credentials and experience. Develop valuable resources like ebooks, courses, or webinars. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions for personalized guidance. Use social media platforms to connect with potential clients and build your brand. Success in this field relies on delivering exceptional value and building trust. Many individuals have achieved financial freedom through online coaching and consulting. They've transformed their expertise into thriving businesses. These success stories demonstrate the potential of this approach. It's not about selling a dream, but about guiding others towards their goals. Take the first step towards financial freedom today. Identify your skills and passions. Explore the methods outlined above and find what resonates with you. Stay focused, persistent, and never stop learning. The online world is constantly evolving. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the victories along your journey to financial independence.